What if one epic hunt revealed rifles so precise they'd earn a place in any hunter's highlight reel? Strap in for Most Insane Hunting Rifles Score of My Life. I'll never see this again. We're reliving a 2025 showdown where 5 bolt-action beasts delivered remarkable accuracy and responsible field success I'll never forget. From the versatile Bergara B14 HMR to the unbeatable Tikka T3X Ace target, these rifles turned a routine deer stalk into a precision masterclass across rugged terrains. In this countdown from 5 to 1, we'll unpack their features, real-field ballistics, and why they redefine success in the wild. Whether you're chasing whitetails in thick brush or elk on open ridges, these picks blend lightweight agility with sub-MOA reliability. Join the thrill, discover why number 1 sealed the deal and why I'll chase that rush forever. Number 5, Bergara B14 HMR Bolt Action. The Bergara B14 HMR Bolt Action Rifle started my 2025 hunt with precision, weighing in at 9.9 pounds, yet delivering consistent accuracy that secured a clean, responsible harvest at 350 yards. Chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor with a 26-inch free-floated threaded barrel, 5AX24, suitable for use with muzzle devices or legal suppressors where permitted, it fires 140-grain ELDM loads at 2,700 FPS for flat trajectories and reliable performance on medium game. The Remington 700 compatible action cycles flawlessly, with a coned bolt nose for smooth feeding and the adjustable Bergara performance trigger, breaking at 2.5 pounds for confident pulls. In the field, its mini chassis stock with soft-touch finish and adjustable comb locked in for offhand stability, yielding 0.5-inch groups at 100 yards during zeroing. Hunters rave about its Cerakote durability against rain and mud, while the integrated 20 MOA rail mounted my optic perfectly for quick elevations. At $1,000 MSRP, it's a value king, blending hunting agility with match-grade accuracy sub-MOA guaranteed. During the hunt, it performed reliably through extensive field use, even after a muddy trek, proving its reliability for extended stalks. The 2-lug bolt and floating firing pin ensure consistent ignition, and QD sling points kept it balanced at 7.7 pounds, scoped. In 2025, updates like the Wilderness variant added carbon barrels for lighter carry, but the HMR's molded forend rested steady on bipods for those precise, well-placed harvests. From prairies to hills, its vibration-dampening design minimized mirage, letting me make contact on a crossing doe at 250 yards. Reviewers confirm its edge over pricier rigs, with 0.75-inch 5-shot averages rivaling customs. The B14 HMR's blend of ergonomics and ballistics made every trigger squeeze feel electric. Number 4, Q-Fix Modular Bolt Action. The Q-Fix Modular Bolt Action Rifle transformed my 2025 pursuit into a nimble masterpiece. Its 5.5-pound frame and quick-swap barrels letting me easily configure for different calibers like .308 Win or 6.5 Creedmoor, giving hunters flexibility across distances. With a monolithic lower and AR-style controls, the 45-degree short-throw bolt cycles like butter, feeding SR25 PMags flawlessly for reliable magazine feeding without jams. Factory-threaded barrel suitable for mounting muzzle devices or legal suppressors, where permitted by law, it fired 168-grain SMK loads at 2,550 FPS, grouping under 1 inch at 100 yards for consistent field results. In the bush, the folding stock collapsed to backpack size, while the free-float M-LOK handguard balanced offhand shots on moving whitetails. At $3,000 MSRP, its innovation shines designed for quick factory-configured barrel swaps via the tensioning system, adapting to 8.6 blackout for subsonic use. Field tests showed 0.75-inch 5-shot clusters, outpacing competitors in accuracy, thanks to the roller-locked bolt's rigidity. Hunters love its AR ergonomics for intuitive handling, with the adjustable LOP and cheek riser fitting diverse builds during all-day carries. In 2025, the Mini Fix variant added 6mm ARC options for varmints, but the full Fix's carbon-wrapped barrels resisted heat for sustained accuracy. From thickets to ridges, its wedge-lock folding mechanism locked solid, preventing shifts on the rough terrain. Reviewers highlight its wind-bucking stability, connecting accurately at 500 yards with minimal holdover. The ambidextrous safety and mag release sped transitions, ideal for dynamic scenarios. During the score, it completed a successful harvest while using a suppressor for hearing protection, where legally permitted. Q's DLC-coated bolt shrugged off grit, and the Picatinny top rail secured my LPVO for rapid acquires. Number 3. Accuracy International ATXC Bolt Action. The Accuracy International ATXC Bolt Action Rifle elevated my 2025 Expedition to elite status. Its 10.5-pound chassis and quick-lock barrel system delivering impressive precision even at 600 yards. Chambered in .308. When with a 24-inch cut-rifled threaded barrel, it propels 175-grain Sierra Match Kings at 2,600 FPS for laser-like trajectories and sub-MOA consistency across strings. The key-slot modular chassis adjusts LOP, cheek height, and grip angle on the fly, with M-LOK sides for bipods that locked steady on uneven ground. At $6,500 MSRP, its military-grade build-epoxy bonded action and DLC-coated bolt delivers flawless extraction, even after dusty stalks. In the field, the two-stage trigger, 1 to 2 pounds, broke crisply for wind calls under 5 mph, grouping 0.5 inches at 100 yards with Lapua brass. Hunters praise the central balance for linear recoil, minimizing muzzle rise on follow-ups during rapid drills. In 2025, the Comp Pro package added AI cut folders for transport, but the base ATXC's 20 MOA rail aligned scopes perfectly for long holds. From deserts to mountains, its weather-sealed Cerakote shrugged monsoons, maintaining 0 through 300 rounds. Reviewers confirm its edge in PRS-style hunts, with 0.75-inch averages rivaling customs. The enlarged bolt knob and ambi safety aided gloved use, while the 10-round AICS mag fed reliably. During the field score, it achieved an accurate tag at 450 yards, cleanly and within ethical range. AI's flat-bottom action resisted torque, ensuring harmonics for every shot. All field use and accuracy testing were conducted in safe, controlled environments. For competition-level field tools, the ATXC's 2025 Refinements Tool Free Barrel swaps in second-set benchmarks. This rifle's durability and repeatability forged unbreakable confidence, turning epic hunts into lasting memories. Number 2. Wilson Combat Nula Model 20 Bolt Action. The Wilson Combat Nula Model 20 Bolt Action Rifle redefined lightweight mastery in my 2025 saga, tipping scales at 4.9 pounds, yet tagging a mule deer at 300 yards with sub-inch groups that silence the wind. Chambered in .308 Win with a 20-inch 416R stainless, threaded barrel, 5.8 X24, it launches 168-grain HPBTs at 2,550 FPS for flat arcs and dependable performance on big game. The AG Composites carbon stock reinforced walls and adjustable LOP balances like a wand with the Timney Elite Hunter trigger, 2.75 pounds, locking the bolt on safe for secure carries. At $3,295 MSRP, its armor-tough coatings resist scratches, while the oversized mag box feeds 4 rounds flawlessly from the hinged floor plate. In the field, it settled faster than heavies, grouping 0.56 inches with Hornady Precision Hunter for accurate, well-placed results. Hunters adore its mountain-ready agility, with tally rings adding just 2 ounces for optics. In 2025, 16 25-inch options boosted varmint versatility, but the Model 20's button-rifled bore shone on elk at 250 yards. From Utah hills to Midwest timber, its nitride studs and DLC bolt handled abuse without 0 shifts. Reviewers hail 0.72-inch averages, exceeding guarantees. The slim forend aided offhand and recoil pad-tamed kick for all-day comfort. During the score, it completed an ethical harvest while using a suppressor for hearing protection, where legal and properly licensed. Wilson's EDM cut receiver ensured harmonics, sub-MOA across loads. For ultralight pursuits, the Nula's 2025 Heritage, Melvin Forbes's Legacy Refined delivers joy in every carry. This rifle's perfection blended speed, accuracy, and portability into hunts I'll chase eternally. Number 1. Tikka T3X Ace Target Bolt Action. Crowning my 2025 Odyssey, the Tikka T3X Ace Target Bolt Action Rifle delivered the pinnacle a 700-yard tag with URD 0.5-inch clusters that confirmed It's the apex of precision and adaptability. Chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor with a 26-inch heavy threaded barrel, 5/8-24, it hurls 143-grain ELDX at 2,700 FPS for wind-resistant flights and consistent performance at range. The adaptable ACE chassis-adjustable LOP, cheek riser, and thumb rest fits like a glove, with the two-stage trigger, 1 to 2 pounds, enabling deliberate brakes under pressure. At $1,550 MSRP, its Cerakote finish and 10-round CTR mag ensure competition-ready reliability, backward-compatible with T3X actions for swaps. In the field, the fluted bolt cycled silkily, grouping sub-MOA with Lapua for clean, controlled performance across horizons. Hunters celebrate its modularity, M-LOK for bipods locking on barricades without wobble. In 2025, the target's foam-filled stock damped vibrations for heat-resistant strings, shining in PRS hunts. From ranges to ridges, its enlarged ejection port cleared brass fast, zero holding through 200 rounds. Reviewers note .535-inch bests outpacing competitors. The grip angle and barricade stop aided transitions, while ambi controls suited all. During the legendary score, it completed the final shot cleanly, its quiet operation ensuring minimal disturbance in the field. Tikka's hammer-forged barrel maintained harmonics, sub-MOA eternally. All demonstrations were performed safely and within legal hunting regulations. For versatile excellence, the T3X Ace targets 2025 Innovations Adaptable Chassis and Buttery Action reigned supreme. This rifle's fusion of accuracy, ergonomics, and value forged the hunt of lifetimes, a score irreplaceable.